Planting onions. Planting onions, it's the 25th of April. It's a little cooler out today. It's only in the upper 40s, but our ground temperature is warmed up nicely. I've prepared my bed for planting. I generally use my hands. That seems to be my favorite tillage tool for preparing my beds. I don't need to dig deep and disturb the soil or disturb the structure. Because I'm going to go ahead and plant into it anyway, and I want to have that good biological material and organisms living in my soil. I'm going to show you how I plant onions for two purposes. One is for green onions to eat fresh out of the garden when they're young, and how to plant storage onions. And so I generally buy my onions in a package, or I grow them. If I've had that in the past too, and those I haven't gotten out of the greenhouse yet, but there's opportunities for that. And so I like to sort through them and pick out the smaller ones for green onions and the larger ones to be used for storage onions. Okay, so the main difference in planting green onions from storage onions is the depth of the plant. When I'm planting onions to be used as green onions, I want a nice long white shaft, and so I'm going to plant them deeper because I want to make sure that they grow well. And I generally use a dibble to plant my green onions, and I'll just go ahead and get them in there fairly deep, put the soil back up around them. I can plant these about 2 inches apart, or 16 plants per square foot, if you want to think of it that way. And so that gives me a fairly good population to plant these in, and should hopefully get lots of good onions to eat. I love fresh onions out of the garden. And so I'm going to go ahead and plant the remainder of these. Again, I take the smaller sets, and Fritzy helps me take the smaller set onions and use those for green onions, and the larger onions in the sets for storage onions. And again, I'm planting them about 2 inches apart, or roughly 16 onions per square foot. And it can be kind of tedious to plant onions because you do have to plant them one at a time. But when there's nothing better to do on a Saturday, why not plant some onions in the ground? Do your grids and rows have to be perfect? No. As perfect as you want them to be. As perfect as you want them to be. Okay, so there's my green onions. I planted them fairly deep, so I get a long, nice white shaft. Now we're going to plant some bulb onions, or for storage onions. And so I'm going to take my larger sets, and I'm going to plant these about 3 inches apart. And I'm not going to plant them as deep. I just want to barely cover the roots. Okay, so I can use my finger to poke a hole in there. I'm not going nearly as deep. I just basically want to cover up the roots and allow them to grow more or less above ground. And again, we'll plant these at about 6 plants per square foot. Or if you want them to grow think they're going to grow even bigger, you can plant them 4 plants per square foot. However you want to plant your garden is just fine by me. Plant in rows, plant in grids, however you want to do it. There is no right or wrong way of gardening. The only thing I say, there are no mistakes in gardening. There's just things that we'll probably try not to do again next year. But for the most part, This is a creative expression how you plant your garden. And so, if we take a look at that, I've got my onions planted for green onions here, about 16 plants per square foot. My onions planted for storage onions, planted at about 9 plants per square foot, or 3 inches apart. And again, it's the depth of the plants and the density of the plants that make the difference. For storage onions, you want them to grow big, and so plant them a little bit further apart. Don't plant them so far in the ground. For green onions, plant them a little deeper in the ground so that they get that nice long white shaft on the green onion that makes them so delicious. So there we have it. I've got a bunch of onions planted. Should be roughly about 100 of them planted in this area. Again, planting both green onions and storage onions. The last thing I need to do before we're done is to get these watered in. Give them a nice drink. This ground is awful dry for this time of year, especially for early spring like we are here in the Red River Valley, our Zone 4 garden. So we are expecting rain this weekend, which will be very welcome, but we want to give these onions an opportunity to get themselves established, and hopefully we'll be eating green onions in a very short time.